as young people are now coming up to exam season, what would you advise young people do to help them deal with any of their worries?
Particularly at this time, there are young people who are doing exams who haven't done exams in the last couple of years. So people who must have skipped doing GCSEs or first year of A levels are now probably doing second year A levels. So previous experience of exams may be less. Being kind to each other, but also be kind to yourselves. That's also self-care is absolutely important.
Talking to people and sharing, because it's not something wrong with you, it's something that's happening to you. It's such an intense period, and trying to somehow find a way that you can maintain stuff that matters to you outside of the exam process. So keeping in touch with friends, trying to do nice activities, trying to remember to do the basics of eating healthy or just eating, trying to make sure you're kind of giving your body the fuel that it needs, trying to get some sleep and have a kind of evening, even with all the pressures that you've got, trying to unwind and asking for help. Whatever you can do to try and keep normal life going, and speaking to people about how hard it is and knowing that you're not alone. They sound simple, but it's really important, and it's such a stressful time.